Hey, thanks for stopping in today. I'm going to show you pretty cool. CHI sent some glass samples. You know, if you're looking to get some windows in your garage door, they have some different types of glass. So I'm going to show you the different types. All right, the first one here is glue chip. So I'm going to kind of hold it up into, you know, some dark background so you can kind of see. But that's what glue chip looks like.
That's so cool.
So if you're looking out your door outside and you're looking at a car, you know, your car parked in the drive or whatever, that's what it's going to look like right there. And that's with your glue chip. So next on deck we have seeded glass. So you can see right there, kind of looks like it's got like these little air bubbles in them. I don't know, that's what it kind of looks like to me. Seeded glass. And that's what you're going to see if you're looking outside into your driveway with seeded glass. Next on deck we got obscure. So obscure is kind of like that shower glass look. We all know what that looks like, so.
What did he say?
And if you're looking outside, you can't really see a whole lot. I mean, you can kind of see the car sitting there, but you know, that's what you're going to get. That look. Alright, so here's Tinted, CHI's version of tint. So you can kind of see, you know, I can see my reflection in the tint. Yeah, so there you go. That's tinted. It's definitely going to let in a little bit of light. That's what you got. Kind of split the difference there on the vehicle. The tinted glass seems to be becoming a trend. I've been doing quite a bit of tinted glass here lately. So give that a look. And right here is your classic frosted glass. Again, you can kind of see your reflection looking out. Can't really see anything. So there's our frosted. And last but not least, we got plain glass. So, you know, it's just like regular window glass.
Okay, everybody, we just got done looking at 6 different types of glass options that you can get for your CHI door.
Why can't I see myself? I literally have my iPhone. I have my iPhone.
Well, you can see yourself when you stand right there. Hey guys, look who dropped in right down there. Yay!
My iPhone.
So tell me, which style of glass do you like or prefer on your garage door? Got the old pumpkin shirt on this weekend. I love this month. It's my favorite time of year. Halloween.
Halloween. Another pumpkin on Dad's shirt. A pumpkin hat. Yes, great. What will be your...
Whoa, better balance.
Gimme!
Does it turn on?
I want it!
Alright, thanks for checking this out. 6 different types of CHI glass for your garage door.
Everything will turn out all right in the end.